Hello everyone, and today I'll be showing you some command block things that I think are really cool. First up is a fireball. Enter the chat and type in /give @s command _block. And then you'll be given a command block. And then you want to type in the chat /give @s structure _block. So now you want to place 2 command blocks and 1 structure block. And the structure block, make the size every digit 1. And then the offset should be 10. Only on the Y level though. And then there should be this floating box in the air. So then you want to get a button. There we are. And then type in one of the command blocks, kill @e bracket type equals gassed bracket. Put a button on that. The second command block you want to put in repeating and always active. And then do TP fireball, @e fire, @e bracket type equal fire ball bracket. And then you want to go to the floating box and put your feet inside of it. And then copy or remember those coordinates. Go to your repeating command block and paste that in at the end. And now all you need to do is get a gas spawn egg, which you could do by using a command, or you could just do the easy way. And now you want to switch your game mode to survival and easy. And now summon the ghast and wait for it to shoot a fireball and then kill it. And now you have collected your fireball. Now you could go back into creative, and if you want you could switch your difficulty back to what it was. And now you want to name your structure. I'll name it fireball, and then click save. And now you could break all these, and then you could hit this fireball if you want. That's what I'm going to do. Now place down 2 command blocks, and you want to set it to repeating and always active. Always active. Let's see if I remember. So execute at e bracket type equals snow ball bracket run TP fire fireball, not the name of your structure, actually type in fireball, and then to here, squiggly squiggly squiggly. So now that one should be good. And then in the second command block you want to set it to repeating and always active, just like this other one, and type in execute at e bracket type equals snowball bracket run structure load, and then the name of your structure. Mine's fireball. And then I think that one's good, but we forgot to add something here. Yeah, here. After you do TP, you want to do @e bracket type equals fireball, comma, r equals 4. So then on the one that summons the fireball, but you need to put squiggly at the end, you want to put a tick delay of 3 or 2. I'll do 3. And now let's see if it works. I'm going to grab a snowball and throw it. Now we have throwable fireballs. They do deal damage to mobs. It's just like a gas fireball. There's only no fire on mine end. This is just me using no fire spread, and now the fireballs only deal damage to mobs and it doesn't damage blocks. Sometimes it'll do this, but it doesn't happen too many times. But it will destroy blocks if you don't have the same settings on as me. Okay, the next thing that we will be making will be basically allowing you not to fall. So you're going to place down a command block, set it to repeating and always active. Now type in execute at p fill or set block. I do fill to make it safer. Fill squiggly squiggly -2 squiggly 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 -1 squiggly wool. Oh, don't forget to type keep at the end so it doesn't destroy blocks. Now let me make sure it's here. Oh, I did something wrong. Yeah, after you do @p, you want to do run fill. Why is it null? But it works. So now it'll place blocks underneath you. So it's just not going to let you fall. Sometimes if you walk backward, maybe you'll fall through the block, but then it'll always catch you. Like how I was going through, it'll just catch you. So then I'm going to turn it off. But before I end this, I'm going to put it on chain, always active and conditional for an extra thing if you want. This is kind of hard, so if it's too hard, you don't have to do this. Repeat and always active. Test for @a or @p. What do I do? Give me a second. Okay. Test for @p bracket item equals, oh, not item, has item equals squiggly bracket, I don't know what it's called, item equal, and then any item. I'll do wool, comma, location equals slot dot weapon dot main hand, squiggly bracket, and then bracket. So now grab wool. Let me find it. Or whatever block you used, and nothing will happen unless you hold your block. So that way you can get down. Now, if you are on a single player server, this works just fine, but if you're on multiplayer, you kind of want to do the same thing here, like execute app, and then the same thing, and then run your fill command. I will do a tutorial on that if you really want to see that. Okay, let's see what I will do next. My game just froze. Okay. Okay, so I was trying to figure out a command, but I wasn't able to do it, so I'll just do a different one that I really like. Okay, so you want to set it to repeat and always active. Do test for, do repeat, always active, test for, at A, or at P, bracket, has item, pay attention because this is a hard one, equals squiggly bracket, I think, item, equal, and then whatever item you want. I will do wooden sword, wooden sword, and then comma, location equals slot dot weapon dot main hand, squiggly bracket, bracket. Now if you hold your item, your chat would start to go crazy. That means you've done it right. Place another command block, put it on chain, always active, and conditional. Type in execute at P bracket has item equal squiggly bracket item equal to, and then your item, mine is wooden sword, comma, location equal slot dot weapon dot main hand, squiggly bracket, bracket, run, TP at E, bracket, type, whichever animal you want, equal, whichever animal you want, I'll do cow, bracket, and let's say 2, let's do 1, boom, and then 10. Did I do it right? Yes. Now wherever you look, the mob of your choice will face that direction. No, I suffocated my cow, but only if you're holding that item. It'll do it with a whole bunch of cows. But if you put them underground, they will suffocate. But they'll still go. And now they're gone. I just wanted to do that. Now I think that's pretty much it.